Today I am going to start problems on Laplace transform. The present topic name is applications of Laplace transform. Using Laplace transform we can define solution of differential equations. So that before going to find out the solution of given differential equation, first we have to know the formula. Here L is nothing but Laplace operator. Operator operated on product of two functions. The two functions defined in terms of t on which the function L operator L operated. In this case we have to apply L on only f of t. Instead of e power a t, corresponding result is s equal to s minus a. Once again, L of e power a t f of t, this is u into v formula. Both are defined in terms of t, but out of 2 one should be exponential. In this case L operated on only f of t. Instead of exponential, corresponding solution is s equal to s minus a, where a is coefficient of t only. So now the present given question is d cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1 of y equal to t square e power t. This is differential equation. Given that y of 0 is 1, y dash of 0 is 0, y double dash of 0 is 2. Here y value, y dash value, y double dash value, 3 values defined at 0. So that these 3 are called as initial conditions. 0 is called as starting number. Starting number is nothing but initial number. So that these 3 conditions are called as initial conditions. Using these 3 conditions and a Laplace transform, you can find solution of given differential equation. First, this is the given differential equation. Now the problem is not in the standard form, so that first enter y into the bracket. By entering y into the bracket, the next step is dqy minus 3d square y plus 3dy minus y equal to t square e power t. dqy is nothing but 3 times derivation of y with respect to t. In the present given question only 2 variables appeared. One is y, another one is t. So that this is called as 3 times derivation of y with respect to which one? T only. So that it is written as 3 times derivation of y represented by y triple dash of t minus 3 into 2 times derivation of y with respect to t plus 3 into derivation of y dash of t minus y is nothing but y of t. Y is a function in t equal to t square e power t. Now this is the standard form of differential equation. Now according to the working rule, taking Laplace transform of both sides, apply Laplace transform operator on both sides of above equation. L of left side, L of right side. L enter into the bracket. L of first term, L of second term, L of third term, L of fourth term. That equal to, here also L of product of two functions defined in terms of t. Here there are two functions, both functions defined in terms of t. Now u into v form is there. Out of 2 one is exponential. So that before already we discussed about this formula. According to this, we have to operate L on only f of t. Instead of exponential, s equal to s minus a. Similarly here also we have to apply L on only t square. Instead of exponential, what is the coefficient of t is here? 1. So that s equal to s minus a. A is 1. S equal to s minus 1. After that, L of y double dash of t minus 3 into L of y double dash of t plus 3 into L of y dash of t minus L y of t. L of t square s equal to s minus 1. L operated on each and every term. Now here L of y triple dash of t. L of y triple dash of t value is, according to the Laplace transform formula, s cube L of y of t minus s square y of 0 minus s into y of 0 minus y double dash of 0. Now this is completely formula of L of y triple dash of t minus 3 into, here L of y double dash of t is s square L of y of t minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0. Next is plus 3 into L of y dash of t. Standard formula is here s into L of y of t minus y of 0. Next term minus L of y of t as it is. Now L of t square s equal to s minus 1. After that, initial conditions. L of y of t also written as y of s. Y of 0 value is 1. Y dash of 0 is 0. Y double dash of 0 equal to minus 2. So that substitute all these in the above equation. Then s square into L of y of t is as per this y of s. S square y of 0 is 1. Next s into y dash of 0 given as 0. Y double dash of 0 is minus 2. First term completed. Minus 3 into s square into L of y of t y of s. S into y of 0 is 1. Minus y dash of 0 is 0. Plus 3 into here s into y of s. L of y of t is y of s. After that y of 0 is 1. Next to minus L of y of t is y of s. L of t square is a standard formula. L of t power n form. L of t square is 2 factorial by s cube s equal to s minus 1. I mean after writing this in place of s we have to write s equal to s minus 1. Now just open the bracket. S square by y of s minus s square plus 2 minus 3s square y of s plus 3s plus 3s y of s minus 3 minus y of s. These are the values. 3 minus 3s square y of s minus 3 into s 3s minus 3 into 0 0. Next term is 3s into y of s. 3 into 1 is minus 3 minus y of s equal to, now here 2 factorial is nothing but 2, s equal to s minus 1 whole cube. After that next step is y of s equal to, now these are all having y of s. Now from these all take out y of s as common. Their multiples are s cube minus 3 minus 3s square plus 3s minus 1 minus remaining minus s square. Next here number of s related my plus 3s, numbers plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Right side as it is. Next y of s as common from all. Multiple, this is multiple. Now 2 by s minus 1 whole cube. Right left side terms to the right. Then plus s square minus 3s plus 1. After that y of s as it is. This is completely a minus b whole cube form is there. So instead of this we can write s minus 1 whole cube equal to 2 by s minus 1 whole cube. Remaining part as it is. Y of s as it is. Now write s minus 1 whole cube opposite side. Into is there. It will be becomes as on right by. So that 2 by s minus 1 whole power 6 plus s square by s minus 1 whole cube plus 3s by s minus 1 whole cube plus 1 by s minus 1 whole cube. Now y of s equal to 2 by s minus 1 whole power 6 as it is plus, to write standard formulas, here this is the second term but it is not in the standard form of Laplace transform formula. Why? Because here in place of s, actually this is similar to s minus 1 by s cube form, but in place of s minus 1. So that in every place of s we need s minus 1. So s also written as s minus 1. In denominator what is the factor? S minus 1. Here also it is written as s minus 1. To balancing that plus 1. Power is as it is minus 3 into. Here also in the denominator s in place of s minus 1. In place of s also we have tried s minus 1. So that 3 into s minus 1, to balance that plus 1 is there. Plus 1 by s minus 1 whole cube is a standard form. Now here y of s equal to 2 by s minus 1 whole power 6 plus, here this is a plus b whole square form. a square plus b square plus 2ab by denominator as it is minus 3 into first term plus 3 into second term by s minus 1 whole cube plus 1 by s minus 1 whole cube. After that, y of s equal to 2 by s minus 1 whole power 6, first term by LCM plus second term by LCM plus third term by LCM minus 3 into first term by LCM minus 3 into 3 here. This is minus 3 by s minus 1 whole cube plus 1 by s minus 1 whole cube. Now simplification. Here y of s equal to 2 by s minus 1 whole power 6. S minus 1 whole square, s minus 1 whole cube get cancel 1 by s minus 1. After that, here plus 1 by s minus 1 whole cube plus s minus 1 get cancelled 2 by s minus 1 whole square minus 3 by s minus 1 whole square minus 3 by s minus 1 whole cube plus 1 by s minus 1 whole cube. Now here everyone is in standard formula form. Now here L of y of t equal to 2 L of y of t equal to y of s also written as L of y of t. L of y of t is also written as y of s. So that L of y of t equal to 2 into the same fraction can be written as 1 by s minus 1 whole power 6 minus 1 by s minus 1 whole cubes. Here same denominator. These three having same denominator. Now take the numerators as per sign. 1 minus 3 plus 1. So totally 1 minus 3 plus 1 is here minus 1 by s minus 1 whole cube. Remaining number of squares 2 by s minus 1 whole cube. Here it is minus 3 by s minus 1 whole square. Totally minus 1 by s minus 1 whole square plus 1 by s minus 1. Now simplification over. Now we have tried corresponding formulas. Now here there is some formula. I mentioned here bottom of the paper. L of e power at only exponential, only one function, that is exponential. In this case its standard formula is 1 by s minus a. If there is a multiple t e power at, then L operated on two functions, product of two functions u into v. Out of two, one is exponential. In this case equal to 1 by s minus a whole square. Suppose L of t square e power at by 2 factorial equal to 1 by s minus a whole cube. L of t cube e power at 3 factorial is 1 by s minus 1 whole power 4. As per these formulas, I have written here corresponding formula. Now here 1 by s minus 1 whole power 6 is L of t power 5 e power at. A is 1. So e power t by 5 factorial minus L of, here power is 3, t square e power at by 2 factorial minus L of t into e power t by 1 factorial plus, this is standard formula, L of e power at. A is 1. So e power t. Now we can cancel on both sides operator L. By cancellation L on both sides, the final result is y of t equal to 2 into L cancel t power 5 e power t by 120 minus t square e power t by 2. Next L already cancel, t e power t plus e power t. This is called solution of given differential equation using Laplace transform. Now before going to prepare this problem, first we have to know the formulas. These formulas most important. The next given question is solve d square x by dt square plus 9x equals to cos 2t if x of 0 equal to 1, x of pi by 2 equal to minus 1. This is most important problem for external exam. This is also differential equation defined in terms of x with respect to t. Initial conditions x of 0 equal to 1 but x of pi by 2 equal to minus 1. Only one initial condition is there, x of 0. X dash of 0 we need x of 0, x dash of 0. But out of two only one condition given. This is initial condition. But here x value defined at pi by 2 equal to minus 1. Okay, so that only one initial condition is there, but we need another initial condition also. So that first write the given equation as it is. Given initial condition x of 0 equal to 1. Now another initial condition also we need to solve this equation, so that x dash of 0 value can be taken as some constant k only. In this case we can proceed next step, so that x of 0 already defined, x dash of 0 is not defined, so that we considered x dash of 0 equal to k. And also given that one more condition is x pi by 2, I mean x value at pi by 2 equal to minus 1. This is the data. Now write standard form of given equation. First, this is 2 times derivation of x with respect to t, simply written as x double dash of t plus 9 into, now 9 into x is nothing but x is a function in t, x of t equal to cos 2t. Now this is in standard form, but instead of y, x is there, x double dash of t plus 9x of t equal to cos 2t. In previous problem, y double dash of t plus y of t is there, but instead of y, x is there. So that as per procedure, working rule, first taking Laplace transform of both sides, L of left side, L of right side. Now enter L into the bracket, L of first term plus 9 is a constant, it is outside, L on second term equal to L of cos 2t. Cos 2t is exactly similar to L of cos 80 form. L of cos 80 equal to s by s square plus a square. As per this, s by s square plus a square, where a is 2, 2 square is 4. Now formula, L of x double dash of t formula is s square into L of x of t minus s into x of 0 minus x dash of 0 plus 9 into L of x of t, also written as x of s, equal to 9 s by s square plus 9. After that, given condition, since initial condition x of 0 is 1, x dash of 0 equal to, we considered k. Now substitute these two initial conditions in the above equation. Now s square, L of x of t written as x of s, s into x of 0 is 1, x dash of 0 is k, plus 9 into x of s. Next s by s square plus 4. Now s square x of s minus s into 1 is s minus k plus 9 into x of s equal to s by s square plus 4. Now in this equation, these two are x of s related. Now from these two, you take out x of s as common. Now s square plus 9 equal to, right side s by s square plus 4 as it is. Now write minus s on right side plus s minus k, right side, then it will be changed as plus k. After that, x of s only equal to s by s square plus 4. What is the multiplier? S square plus 9 plus s by s square plus 9 plus k by s square plus 9. Here x of s equal to s by s square plus 4, s square plus 9 plus s by s square plus 9, k by s square plus 9. Here this is in standard form, s square plus s by s square plus a square, 3 square. So this is cos 3t form. K by s square plus 9, k is a constant. This is also in standard form. 1 by s square plus a square is sin 3t. But here there are two factors. To write corresponding formula, we need only one factor. To get that one, first we have to find out partial fractions of for the first term only. There is a one shortcut rule. If two factors having same degree, in numerator there is a only one term. In this case, the shortcut rule is, I have define bottom of this page. Coming here, 1 by s square plus 4 s square plus 9 first I considered. After that, here out of 2, which one is greater factor? Minus s square plus 9. Greater factor minus smaller factor into 1 by smaller fraction minus greater fraction. Out of 2, which one is smaller fraction? 1 by s square plus 4 minus 1 by greater fraction is s square plus 9. This is shortcut rule instead of finding partial fractions. Now once again, If there are two factors with the same degree, in numerator there is only one single term. In this case, we have to use 1 by greater factor minus smaller factor within bracket smaller fraction minus greater fraction. Here greater minus smaller, here smaller minus greater. After that, here by opening these two brackets, the result is 9 minus 4. This is as it is. After that, actually the given function is s by, now I added s here on both sides, s by 5, 1 by s square plus 4. Now you can enter s into the bracket 1 by 5, s by s square plus 4 minus 1 by 5, s by s square plus 9. Now these two are in standard formula form of Laplace transform. So that now here, instead of this first term 1 by 5 s by s square plus 4 minus 1 by 5 s square plus s by s square plus 9 as per calculation plus remaining two terms as it is. After that, x of s is nothing but y of s. Y of s also written as L of y of t. But y instead of y, what is the variable? X. So L of x of t is x of s. X of s is nothing but L of x of t. So that x of s also written as L of x of t. Why? Because x of t is the solution. That's why I considered x of s as L of x of t. 1 by 5. This is exactly cos at. L of cos at minus 1 by 5. L of cos 3t plus, this is L of cos 3t plus k constant, L of sin 3t. Now on both sides there is a operator L, you can cancel on both sides. Now the resultant value is x of t equal to, without L, 1 by cos 2t by 5, here cos 3t by 5, cos 3t plus k into sin 3t by 3. Now this is the, from these two cos 3t as common, now this is the result. But this is the solution of given differential equation, but there is a one unknown constant. What is that? K. To define this one, in the present question they defined one more condition. What is that? To get the value of k, given another condition is x of pi by 2 equal to minus 1. X of pi by 2, x of t. These two are similar to each other. But in place of t, what is the variable? Pi by 2. So corresponding t place we have tried pi by 2. So as per our calculation, x of pi by 2 is x of pi by 2 equal to, as per our calculation, pi by 2 in place of t. Here also cos of 2 into pi by 2 5. Here plus 4 into cos of 3 pi by 2 5. K by 3 sin of 3 pi by 2. After that, as per given question, x of pi by 2 value given as minus 1. Now this is cos pi, sin cos 3 pi by 2 0, sin 3 pi by 2 is 1. This is the resultant value. K related one side, remaining number, totally k value is 12 by 5. Now you can substitute k value in equation 1, then that one gives us complete solution of given differential equation. So that x of t equal to cos 2t by 5, 4 cos 3t by 5 plus k by k is 12 by 5, but 3 is there, 12 by 15 cos 3t. This is solution of given differential equation. To solve this problem, you have to know these required formulas and this is required calculation. Before going to next problem, first we have to know the formula. L is nothing but Laplace operator operated on t power n into y of t. There are two functions in terms of t. Out of two, one is t power n, another one is y of t. In this case, we have to operate L on only y of t. Instead of t power n, given relation is minus 1 whole power n d to the power of n ds to the power of n, L of y of t. This is the formula useful to define solution of next given question. Once again, L of t power n y of t equal to L operated on only y of t. Instead of t power n, given corresponding result is minus 1 whole power n d to the power of n ds to the power of n, and then L operated on y of t only. L of y of t also written as y of s. This is the main formula. After that, the present given question is a t into y double dash plus 2y dash plus ty equal to cos t, given that y of 0 equal to 1, y dash of 0 equal to 0. Now given conditions are also called as initial conditions. Y value, y dash value defined at 0 only, so that these two are called as initial conditions. Y of 0 defined as 1, y dash of 0 is 0. Next, given equation ty double dash plus 2y dash plus ty equal to cos t. Now y double dash also written as y double dash of t plus 2 into y dash is nothing but y dash of t plus t into y is nothing but y of t equal to cos t. Now this is in standard form. As per working rule, taking Laplace transform on both sides of above equation, L of left side equal to L of right side, and then enter L into the bracket, L of first term, L of 2 into L of second term, L of third term equal to, on right hand side, L of cos t is similar to L of cos at. L of cos at is s by s square plus a square, where a is 1. T multiple is called a, but here t multiple is 1. So s by s square plus a square. A square is nothing but 1 square. 1 square is 1. After that, here L operated on two functions, product of two functions. Both are in terms of t only. So that as per before formula, before we discussed formula, L of t power n y of t equal to minus 1 whole power n d power n ds to the power of n L of y of t. As per this formula, here power is, but the power of t is 1. So that corresponding formula minus d by ds of L operated on only y double dash of t plus 2 into, this is very standard formula, s into L of y of t minus y of 0 plus, again this is also L operated on product of two functions, out of two, one is t power 1 y of t. So you operate L on only y of t, instead of t corresponding is minus d by ds, L of y of t equal to right side as it is. Now minus d by ds of L of y double dash of t, this is standard formula, s square L of y of t minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0 plus 2 into second term, 2 into s into L of y of t is y of s, y of 0 given as 1 minus d by ds of L of y of t is y of s, right side as it is. Next, minus d by ds of s square y of s minus s into y of 0 is 1, y dash of 0 is 0 plus 2 into a first term minus 2 into second term minus d by ds of y of s equal to s by s square plus 1. Next, minus outside as it is, enter d by ds. D by ds of first term, we differentiation with respect to s, both functions defined in terms of s, so we have to differentiate both the functions with respect to s. So we have to apply u into v formula, so that u into v formula is u v dash plus v u dash. As per that, s square as it is, d by ds on y of s plus y of s as it is, d by ds of s square is 2s minus d by ds of s is 1, remaining is 0 plus 2s y of s minus 2 minus d by ds of y of s equal to s by s square plus 1. After that, just open the brackets here, minus of first term, minus of second term, minus of minus plus 1 plus 2 s y of s minus 2 minus 2 d by ds of y of s equal to s by s square plus 1. After that, this is the step. After that, here these two are last and first having same terms, d by ds of y of s, d by ds of y of s. First you should write both terms at one place. After that, here y of s, 2s y of s, both are same with opposite sign, that's why they will get cancelled. After that, 1 plus minus 2 is minus 1 equal to s by s square plus 1. From these two, which one has common? D by ds of y of s has common, minus also has common, so s square plus 1 equal to, here there is a minus 1, you should write minus 1 on right hand side, then it will be changed as plus 1 minus d by ds y of s equals to s by s square plus 1. This is also s square plus 1. Write it on right hand side, s by s square plus 1 whole square plus 1 by s square plus 1. Here d by ds of y of s equal to minus s by s square plus 1 plus 1 by s square plus 1. Okay, after that here d by ds of y of s coming here, L of t into f of t equal to minus d by ds of L of f of t. L of t into f of t equal to minus d by ds of L of f of t also written as f of s. Now here we had d by ds of y of s. This is and this one is same. D by ds of y of d by ds of f of s only can be written as minus of L into t into f of t. As per this formula, d by ds of y of s equals to minus L of t into y of t minus this is s by s square plus 1 whole square is standard formula. 1 L Laplace transform of t into sin t by 2a. Here a is 1 plus 1 by s square plus 1 is also 1 by s square plus a square. L of sin at, a is 1 sin at by a. Now on both sides we can cancel negative sign and we can cancel Laplace operator also. Then the resultant step is minus, already minus minus get cancelled, t only is there. This is only t into y of t equal to t sin t by 2 plus here it is sin t. Y of t only equal to t sin t by 2t. Here there is a t, write it on right hand side plus sin t by t. Now this is called as solution of given differential equation. Here this is main formula. This formula we used here. This is the formula s by s square plus a square whole square. This is here, this formula is here, this is the term similar to this formula. So we have written here L of t sin at by 2a. Here also L of t sin at by 2a is 1. Now this is a solution of given differential equation. Now next topic is convolution theorem. Convolution theorem for Laplace transform statement defined as if L inverse of f of t, f of s equal to f of t, L inverse of g of s equal to g of t, then L inverse of f of s into g of s. Here this is inverse Laplace transform operator. L inverse operated on f of s into g of s, product of two functions defined in terms of s only. In this case its result can be taken as integral 0 to t f of u g of t minus u du, also represented as f of t star g of t. The same statement can be taken as L inverse of f of s into g of s equal to f of t star g of t equal to, star is called as convolution operator, that equal to integral 0 to t f of u, first place t is f of u, second function t place is g of t minus u du, integration with respect to u only, so that integral 0 to t f of u g of t minus u du. This is called convolution theorem. Convolution is nothing but product theorem. After that, using this statement you can find inverse Laplace transform of some functions. First question, apply convolution theorem to evaluate L inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square. Second one is L inverse of s square by s square plus a square into s square plus b square. First question, take the question s by s square plus a square whole square. To define inverse Laplace transform as per given question we have to use convolution theorem. To use convolution theorem, what we need first? F of s, g of s, two functions. Both functions defined in terms of s only. From this we can define f of t, g of t. Then only you can apply corresponding formula. So that first, the given function can be written as product of two functions in terms of s. The same function can be written as s by s square plus a square into, here square is there, so that 1 by s square plus a square. Now here there are two functions, both the functions defined in terms of s. Out of two, first function name can be taken as f of s, s by s square plus a square. Second function name can be taken as g of s, 1 by s square plus a square. Okay, f of s, g of s over. Next we need f of t, g of t. Now look at here, f of s equal to s by s square plus a square. F of s actual meaning is L of f of t. L of f of t equal to f of s. F of s equal to L of f of t. Now this is standard formula of L of cos at. By cancelling L on both sides, the remaining function is f of t cos at. Coming to next function, g of s, 1 by s square plus a square. G of s also written as L of g of t equal to, here this is the standard formula of L of sin at by a. Now L on both sides, there is a L on both sides. Now by cancellation that, the remaining part is g of t equal to sin at by a. Now f of s, g of s, f of t, g of t, all required functions are clear. F of s, g of s, f of t, g of t. These are the required functions. Now take the statement of convolution theorem. L inverse of f of s, g of s equal to f of t star g of t equal to integral 0 to t f of u. First function t place is u. Second function t place is t minus u. du, integration with respect to u. Now L inverse of f of s, this is the f of s value, into g of s, this is g of s, equal to f of t cos at star g of t sin at by a, that equal to integral 0 to t. First place t is as per this u cos au into second function t place is t minus u sin a of t minus u by a into du. Next, L inverse of s by s square plus a square, 1 by s square plus a square left side equal to cos at star sin at by a, as per convolution theorem 0 to t f of u is nothing but cos au into sin of a into t minus u by a. 1 by a is a constant, write it outside of the integral. Integral 0 to t cos au. Here it is sin of a into first term, a into second term, at minus au du. Now this is cos a sin b form. Au, here angle is au, here angle is minus au. Out of two angles, which one is greater? Au. So that au angle name is a, at minus au is b. This is cos a sin b. Now I have written corresponding formula here, bottom of the page. Cos a sin b equal to 1 by 2 sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. As per this formula, here I have written 1 by 2 sin of a plus b. A is au plus b is at minus au minus sin of a minus b, au minus, this is at before minus plus au, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Write it 1 by 2 also outside. Integral 0 to t sin at minus sin of, here it is 2au minus at du. Now in each and every term there is a single function sin at, sin of au minus at. Now we can apply integration to each and every function. Integral of first term, integral of second term. This is exactly standard formula form. Integral sin at equal to, but here integration with respect to which variable? U. Now here this is without u related, so it is a purely constant. Take it outside of the integral. Integral 0 to t, under integration what is the remaining number? 1 into du minus, here there is a t, so u also is there. So we can integrate this one as per sin AT formula. Integration with respect to which variable? U. So that sin AT, here 2AU. Integral sin AT is minus cos 2AU minus AT by U multiple is here 2A by 2A. After completion of integration, limits are 0 to t. Next 1 by 2a sin AT. Integration of 1 with respect to u is u 0 to t. Minus to minus plus 1 by 2a cos of 2au minus at 0 to t. Is it clear to you? Sin of at form. Sin of at is cos minus cos at by a. Here integration with respect to which variable? U. So you concentrate on this one only. Remaining just we have to write as it is. Now sin of ATA is 2a. Sin of AT is minus cos angle as it is. What is the multiple of u here? 2a. So by 2a. After that here 0 to t. Upper limit in place of u, lower limit in place of u. 1 by 2a cos of 2at minus at. First in place of u t. 2at minus 8 minus in place of u, lower limit is 0. After that 1 by 2a t sin at plus 1 by 2a cos 2at minus at is at minus cos at. Both are same with opposite, get cancel. Now remaining is 1 by 2a t sin at, so that L inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square equal to t sin at by 2a. This is the result of L inverse of given function. The next given question is L inverse of s square by s square plus a square into s square plus b square. How to evaluate inverse Laplace transform using convolution theorem. To use convolution theorem, what we need? Functions, two functions in terms of s we need, and then corresponding functions f of t, g of t. So that take the given function first, and it can be written as product of two functions. S square is s into s. Denominator can be written as s square plus a square into s square plus b square. There are two functions in terms of s. So out of two, first function name can be taken as f of s equal to s by s square plus a square. Second function name is g of s equal to s by s square plus b square. F of s written as L of f of t equal to s by s square plus a square is a standard formula. L of cos at. L on both sides get cancelled. Remaining is f of t cos at. Similarly here also g of s is nothing but L of g of t equal to L of cos bt. Now on both sides operator get cancelled. G of t equal to cos bt. Now f of s, g of s, f of t, g of t. Everyone is clear. So that we can use convolution theorem. What is the statement of convolution theorem? L inverse of f of s into g of s equal to f of t star g of t equal to integral 0 to t. First function t place is u. Second function t place is t minus u. Du. Integration with respect to which one? U only. As per this, f of s, g of s values, f of s value, g of s is here. It is either equal to cos ut. F of t is cos at star. G of t is cos bt. Integral 0 to t. First function t place is u. Cos of second function t place is t minus u du. Now enter b into the bracket. Now cos au cos bt minus bu. Here also product of two functions is there. Here angle is au. Here angle is minus bu. Integration with respect to which variable? U. So you concentrate on u related only. Au minus bu. Out of which angle is greater? Au is greater. So its name can be taken as capital A minus bu. Bt minus bu. So this angle name can be taken as B. Cos A cos B can be written as, I have written the same formula bottom of this page. Cos A cos B. Cos A cos B written as 1 here. Cos A cos B equal to 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Similarly 0 to t 1 by 2 cos a plus b plus cos a minus b into du. Now simplification. Cos of au bu both are having u. So u as common from these two. A minus bu plus bt plus cos of. Here these two are having same u. U as common from these two. A plus b of u minus bt into du. Now in the last step there is a only single function in each and every term. Now we can apply integration to each and every function. Integral of first term, integral of second term. Now this is cos at form. Integral of cos at is minus integral of cos at is sin at by a. Here u multiple is a minus b. You should write u minus b. A minus b plus 1 by 2. Here it is also cos at form. So that sin at by a. A is nothing but u multiple a plus b. After completion of integration you have to write limits 0 to t. In place of u, first upper limit t plus sin bt, sin of a minus bt plus bt by a minus b, minus in place of u lower limit 0. Now sin of bt by a minus b plus 1 by 2, sin of a plus b into t upper limit by a plus b minus sin of 0. U is 0, 0 minus bt by a plus b. Here the next is 1 by 2 into sin of at minus bt plus bt by a minus b minus sin bt by a minus b. Here next 1 by 2 sin of at plus bt minus bt by a plus b minus sin of, here it is minus bt by a plus b. Very ordinary calculation. Left side as it is equal to 1 by 2. Here bt cancel sin at by a minus b minus sin bt by a minus b plus 1 by 2 into, here also bt cancel plus bt minus bt, sin at by a plus b plus sin bt by, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, minus of minus plus, sin bt by a plus b, 1 by 2 sin at by a minus b. Here it is minus of just a minus b related at 1 plus 1 by 2 is overall common. A minus b, here also a minus b, write it a minus b related at 1 plus a minus b sin at by a minus b. Here also this is sin at by a plus b plus sin bt by a plus b minus sin bt by a minus b. From these two which one has common? Sin at. Now from these two common term function is sin bt. Here LCM is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Here a plus b plus a minus b sin at plus a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square is LCM. A minus b minus of this one sin bt. Simplification. Here it is 2a sin at, a square minus b square plus, here also what are the cancellation terms? A minus 2b sin bt by a square minus b square. After that enter 1 by 2 into the bracket. 1 by 2 into first term, 1 by 2 into second term, plus into minus minus. Now this is the result of inverse Laplace transform of s square plus a square plus b square defined as 1 by a square minus b square as common from these two terms, a sin at minus b sin bt. This is the result of given question.